it's supposed to feel. How it's supposed to
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, what I want to do today is talk about how to take your boat into the Chicago River and have a great day floating around, just checking stuff out. It's not for the faint of heart. If you do not think that you can do this, you should not. And also, the weather, it is imperative to check the weather. One other thing, a little preface. You need to check the regulations for that body of water. The Great Lakes are treated differently than a normal lake. They're treated more like an ocean. So you need more safety equipment than normal. So do your due diligence on what you need on your boat before you go out there, because it could get very expensive in fines. Don't be that guy. As you can see, we're driving down the freeway. We take 55 and then we just head right to basically Pier 31.
We're in.
Yeah, good.
I remember this place.
Yeah, this is definitely the place.
Which is just south of downtown, a little over 4 miles from Navy Pier. So it's a 4-mile trip up the coastline. You buck a left right into Navy Pier, and then you take the Chicago River in.
These are all tourist spots here.
Now, you're going to go through a lock system. It's free. I didn't know the first time I went in the Heritage, I did not know, but those locks are free. There is no cleat system. You hold on to these ropes. It's kind of archaic, but you got to allow. You're going to go up. I forget how far. It's about 6 feet ish. But anyway, it's very quick. It takes about 15 minutes, I think, each way to get where you need to be to go into the river. It feels like yesterday that I was doing this, though. It's crazy. We got some nostalgic firefighting equipment on the water here, and then we have the new one. That one still looks operational if need be.
Yeah, it does.
As we traverse through the river, there's the architecture's amazing. The Chicago River's got a lot of cool stuff to look at. There's people watching. There's just a little bit of everything going on downtown. And those old bridges are neat. Like when you see the Lakeshore Drive as you're driving under these bridges, man, it's pretty surreal to be down there in your own boat. We went through Goose Island. We went all the way around it. And yes, if anybody wants to know, I did catch one fish. Here it is. Excited to go up the coast right now. We're down. I guess we're going down coast.
All right, should be a bumper ride.
meat and potatoes of doing the Chicago River is you need to be absolutely prepared to make the run up the coast. If the weather's bad, you need to call it off. Don't do it. Do not put yourself in that predicament. It's not worth it. So, if the weather's good, go for it. If you have the right boat and you're prepared to swim, you got the right life-saving equipment, you know, do you. But it's not for everybody. And things can change from when you go up there in the morning to when you come back in the afternoon. Things can change big time. You know, the other part of this trip is Scott lives about an hour straight west of Pier 31 or downtown. And driving in traffic in Chicago with a boat is a task. You're going to white knuckle it the further you get into downtown because people are cutting you off and they don't care. They don't care what you're driving. Going home is the same way. And you just have to be prepared for that part of it. Besides that, in the run up the coast and back, that's about the danger you need to worry about. But the rest of it is amazing. And I implore you, if you have the ability to go do this, try it. It's a great time. I've done it twice. I think I'll do it again someday. How did I get there? Well, I bought the boat in Portage, Indiana. I think that was the name of the town. It was right on the Michigan-Indiana border. And Scott lives in Chicago. So I thought, let's do this again. We did it in the Heritage. It was awesome. Basically, I bought the boat and had it insured, and I was in Lake Michigan in 12 hours. And I still had to drive all the way back to Branson from there. So it was an amazing trip. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is how I went and saw the Chicago River in my bass boat. Hopefully you get a chance to do the same. Have a great day. See you real soon. Take it easy.